The demands of manually handling cement bags during the unloading from ships and loading onto trucks are monumental, requiring a vast workforce to navigate the challenges inherent in the process. This extensive manpower requirement is a defining characteristic of traditional material handling in the construction and logistics industries. The first challenge arises at the source. The ship unloading cement bags manually from the ship demands a considerable amount of physical effort. Laborers grapple with the weight and bulk of the bags, navigating through tight spaces and dealing with the ever-present risks associated with manual material handling. The demands of manually handling cement bags during the unloading from ships and loading onto trucks are monumental, requiring a vast workforce to navigate the challenges inherent in the process. This extensive manpower requirement is a defining characteristic of traditional material handling in the construction and logistics industries. Once the bags are on the dock, the process continues with the loading onto trucks. The coordination required among the laborers to maintain a steady flow often faces disruptions leading to delays and potential errors. As the industry continues to evolve, there is a growing recognition of the need for smarter solutions. Automated and semi-automated systems are emerging as viable alternatives to traditional manual labor, promising to alleviate the challenges associated with cement bag handling. Automated systems not only reduce the physical strain on workers but also bring precision and speed to the process. With the ability to handle large volumes seamlessly, these systems offer a glimpse into a more efficient and safer future for cement bag handling. Welcome to the heart of innovation where cutting edge technology meets the art of engineering. Today we delve into the world of CADSON Engineering, a beacon of excellence in manufacturing, presenting their revolutionary portable belt conveyor system with hydraulic lift. CADSON Engineering doesn't just create products, they craft solutions. Each conveyor system is meticulously designed using state-of-the-art software ensuring precision and efficiency. Meet the mastermind behind it all, James Martin Adhikary, the founder and system designer at CADSON Engineering. Portable Belt Conveyor System by CADSON is a game changer, offering flexibility and efficiency in material handling. What sets CADSON apart is not just their commitment to innovation but an unwavering dedication to quality. CADSON Engineering believes in using the best components for their systems. Japanese bearings ensure durability and reliability, while lagging pulleys contribute to enhanced grip and reduced wear. The high quality belt ensures smooth and efficient material transport, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. CADSON's commitment doesn't end with the sale. Their after sale service is second to none. Mr. Adhikary's vision is to not just sell a product but to forge lasting partnerships with clients, ensuring they get the best out of their investment.